guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a very special video for you guys, but it's like what I'm supposed to be doing on my channel, not even gonna lie. So recently I purchased a product from Ultra Makeup, Skincare, and Hair. I believe they do a lot of stuff, so I'm not gonna lie, I kinda forgot. Ooh, ah. The first thing we have is, let me just go ahead and show it to the camera right. First thing we have is the Daily Face Cleanser. So let's see how this works. Dampen hands and skin with warm water. Dispense a small amount onto fingers and gently massage into the face. Rinse with water and pat dry using a soft cloth. Next is the E.L.F. Daily Hydration and Moisturizer. Massage a small amount of moisturizer into hands. Gently apply to face and neck until absorbed into skin. It looks like it's getting red. I'm always keeping 100 on my channel. If a product isn't good, I know I'm not like someone, but I'm always keeping 100. And I think it looks like it's like red around here. Around here, it's like it looks a lot red. It doesn't smell very great when you put it on your face. It smells kind of sort of like bland a little bit. Next we have the Illuminating Eye Cream. It says gently dab cream around the under eye area, outward to the pimples. Use twice daily. Okay, so see, we think about this stuff. This is like the whole product itself. Right here is the top part that I just pulled off. You don't even gotta use this. Let's put this off to the side. Let's go ahead. This, all you gotta use right here. Gently dab cream around the under eye. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. Push the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, so that you can join hashtag TeamK, because we lit every single Sunday, and that is facts, not fiction. Also follow me on all of my social media, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff, all of it. Links will be in the description, along with a link to this bad boy, and it's kind of blurred back right here, but this bad boy, links to all of it will be in the description. So if you want to get yourself, cop yourself some E.L.F, whatever it's called, because that could be an I, that could be an L. I'm just not on my A game today. Either way, if you want to cop yourself some of that merchandise from Ultra, go ahead and look in the link in the description. You can check that out. I personally think it's dope. This is a couple of hours actually after I put it on, like, because my camera kind of went dead, so